Okay, we're gonna solder some more. Let me grip. That one looks awful. This magnifying glass is loose. I gotta tighten it. Something I keep forgetting to do. Okay, these ones aren't as good. I'm getting a little... Oh, there we go. Come on, magnifying glass, work with me here. They look like booger welts. Uh-oh. That one got stuck. Let's see. Better. Well, not as better. The second time was the best. Ooh, no, Mr. Sponge, stay there. Not as good. Like, these are way better. But these don't... I'm still learning.